Hey guys, welcome back to Evolving Mail. So guys, today we're going to do something that probably has affected a lot of you, and if it hasn't, it will. And we're going to talk about it right after this. I'm not there right now. Thanks for coming back, guys. Okay, so what are we talking about? We're talking about this. Can you see this? My tape is failing. Look at this. So I'm on a long drive across the country from Florida to Colorado, and this thing blows out somewhere in like Oklahoma or something. And you can see, let me turn this, and right there, this thing is blown out. Now, I don't even use the stupid visor very often, and I had this one done, fixed at the dealer, and then this one took a crap on a road trip, so I had to get some Gorilla Tape that is not sticking, and I've been driving around for like a week like that. And what I got this on Amazon for like, I don't know, 20 bucks. This is by a company called Tacom, and there's a lot of companies out there that have these, and this has got a little, it's basically just some screws and a little tiny piece that we're gonna mount up here, right up in here, and it's gonna fix this. So if you haven't had a problem like this, you will. Again, I don't hardly ever move this as it is, occasionally, but rarely. And it was fine. And then all of a sudden, I was like, that thing looks like it's sagging. And then it just fell, and it was hanging down. And I'm trying to drive to find some place to hold it up, and it's just a pain in the butt. So if you haven't done this, this might be a good idea to do, so you don't get stuck driving without it, because it is going to fail. It is going to fail. So until they make a better, Jeep makes a better option, because these things basically, it's got the lighting in here sucks, but it's got I honestly don't even know how the hell it works. It's just jammed up in there, but we're gonna fix it right now, and I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do this right here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pop that down. I'm gonna move this out of the way, right like that. And then you're going to need a, I think I'm going to need a screwdriver of some sort. Let's see if I got the right one. Yep. So we're going to pull this out. Pull that out right there. And take the other one out. Other side, and when you do, the whole thing's gonna fall down, and you get the whole piece out like that, and then the screw doesn't come out with it, so you gotta fight to get that out. Okay, so screw came out. So, and then there are wires that come in here, so you can't get the whole thing out, but that's okay, at any rate. So we are going to, see if I can get you in there. Okay, so now what we're going to do is, it comes with 4 bolts, and they're Phillips head, and the difference there is they're a little longer. And I don't know if they need to be longer, but we'll try it with it. There are some directions on this, but I think this is pretty well self-explanatory. So we're going to try without it. So we're going to put this back up. Make sure that this little thing goes in there. There's a hole up there, a guide of sorts, like a peg and a hole with a guide. And it's really a pain in the ass. Put that up in there. We'll put that up in there, and I'm gonna push it in. And actually, I am gonna look at the instructions. We're gonna see if this says to face the front or the rear. It says Huh. It says, to make your work easier, flip the sun visors to the forward position and set in place on both ends. This will allow easy access to the work area. So it's saying place your visor like that. Like that. And then it says for the driver's side, take the clip that has the opening to the right and install the new Phillips head screwdriver. Do not tighten it, just make sure it's semi-snug. So you have two of these that look exactly the same. So I don't know what the hell they mean by tighten to the right. But they are beveled. There's a bevel hole. So okay, so we're going to start with one. Oh, hit the camera. Sorry, camera. Sorry, peeps. Okay, we're going to start with one. Make sure the bevel's facing down. Oh. Maybe that's what they're talking about. Get that started in the hole. Okay, we got it started in the hole. Now we're going to flip this thing around like that. And we're going to get the other screw. One-handed. I'm going to put the other one in. Which is harder to do than it seems like. Call it. Okay. So I got them both in there. It's kind of holding for now. I got to swap out my driver bit so I can go ahead and tighten this one up. Now we can move this around and we can tighten up the other side just like this. And I'll tighten it up. Tighten up the other side. And that's it, guys. That's the whole thing right there. Let me turn you around. I got you flipped around. So there you go. There it is. It's just a little strap that kind of holds it in there, and it is not moving. It is good. So when we put this back up, there's a strap, and you come over here to the other side that I have not done yet, and it's just bare. This side has been fixed by the factory, but we're going to go ahead and make that work. We're gonna make that work. But yeah, there you go. That's how easy it is. It's just a couple screws. Let me see. Got a couple screws, and this is, you can see there's beveled right there, and that's it. It's just a strap, and somebody came up with this, and you could probably make this on your own if you wanted to, but for 20 bucks it ain't worth the effort, and it is good to go. But guys, there's the other side. I did that while I was on the phone talking to somebody. It took me literally less than a minute. How you can fix your visors or prevent your visors from going bad in less than 5 minutes. Really good fix. I'm really happy with it, and now I don't have to worry about this stupid thing flopping down, hit me in the face. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps. If you're on the fence about whether this is going to work or not, it seems to work pretty good. Again, I just installed it, so I don't have a full-time answer, long-term answer, but I don't see why that's going to go bad. Anyway, guys, thank you. Appreciate it. As always, please hit like and subscribe. Check me out on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, and of course, hit subscribe here. And I really appreciate it, guys. Thanks, and as always, peace out.